Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It is so hard to find socks that fit a size 13 men's shoe. But these Airacker ankle athletic socks fit so well. My husband was so excited to get these. This fit so comfortably for him. He loves to wear them for just every day in the house, but also with his sneakers, especially when he's wearing shorts because they come right to the ankle. The heel tab is nice and thick, so his ankle is comfortable and there's no slipping, especially when he's running or playing pickleball. There's extra cushion at the toe and also at the heel for extra comfort. There's nice support at the arch also. And they came in a pack of 6. So he has quite a few. And the color is a nice neutral gray. These Airacker ankle athletic socks are comfortable and they fit so well. My husband loves wearing them. And that's our point of view.